Meet Tony. Tony is an elevator mechanic who used to get frustrated with the amount of time wasted on paperwork, lost forms, and inefficient processes. He rarely had all the information needed to complete the job on site, spent hours driving back and forth to the office, and had too much essential information stored in his head. Meet Dave, Tony's boss. Dave was frustrated with the cumbersome business processes, operational blind spots, and disconnected data. He decided it was time to connect his office and field technicians with one system and give them the tool they needed to complete their jobs efficiently. Dave implemented FIELDBOSS, the all-in-one elevator contractor management software built within Microsoft Dynamics 365. Let's see how Tony's day is with FIELDBOSS. Today, Tony's going to perform a monthly preventative maintenance inspection on an elevator. Before he leaves, he opens the FIELDBOSS Mobile app powered by Resco and sets his ticket to start. When Tony arrives at the building, he opens the app again and sets his ticket to Arrived. Next, he opens the overview to see building access information and a comprehensive service history of that unit. Tony now has all the information he needs to get started. When Tony gets to the elevator, he notices that he has no network service. No worries. FIELDBOSS Mobile continues running in offline mode. He can still work and document everything without disruption, knowing it will automatically sync to the cloud once the connection is restored. Tony then opens the inspection checklist, which is pre-populated with a step-by-step list of tasks by area of the equipment. During the inspection, Tony notices that the alarm bell and emergency lighting are not working. He takes pictures and notes that they need to be replaced. He then opens the Field Request tab to request a quote, which is automatically synced to the office. When the inspection is complete, Tony captures the building manager's signature and heads off to his next job. It was that easy. With FIELDBOSS, Tony's day is now more productive and less stressful. FIELDBOSS maximizes service efficiency by connecting management, the office, and field technicians in real time. Give your team the information they need to complete work orders, prepare quotes, access service history, track time, and more, all from the palm of their hand. FIELDBOSS, the ultimate elevator software solution for your business's most critical operations.